Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change or redo card on Cash App. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application, and once you are on this type of page, you will have to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you will be landed on this your account page where you just have to scroll down and then you need to tap on linked banks. In the linked banks, you are going to see all of the accounts such as your debit card, your credit card, and your bank account that you have. So as you want to change your card, you will have to select that particular card which you want to change. After selecting it, you are going to see a pop-up in the bottom where you will be able to see the option of replace card. So you will have to click on replace card, and after that you will be redirected on this page where it will ask you to add a new card number. So in this section you need to add your new card number and then you need to press next. On the next page you will have to provide further information relating to the card like the expiration date of it, CVV and zip code, and then you need to press the add card button in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily change or replace your card on Cash App. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.